Hey everybody. So here's another list of the things that are compatible or not compatible with Ubuntu 22.10. Remember the hardware is an Asus Z5 AIRO, g.skill, 4 slots of 32 gigabytes each of g.skill DDR5, supposedly XMP ready, but those are not yet compatible with the Asus motherboard, or at least the firmware up to this date. I'm on firmware 703, 0703, and this is using a Zotac GeForce RTX 4090, and we got two Western Digital, the black, the SN850X. Okay, those two babies are running fine there. But I'm showing you all this information apart from the CPU, the 13900K there. So you know what errors to expect. Okay, so if you enable XMP, the same as on Windows, if you enable XMP on the G.skill memory that I have, especially if you have 4 slots used, it creates an issue. There's an issue. Typically, the XMP works better if you use 2 slots, meaning you the dual channel. And for one of the slots, slot A or slot B, the pairing of those two, it works best there. But if you use all 4, there's a huge issue. So the thing just crashes on Windows 11, crashes on Ubuntu 22.10. So I have XMP disabled right now. This was already notified to Asus, and they said that in a future firmware they're going to be basically attacking that problem. Another problem is in regards to the 4090. That's right now I'm using, you can see here, the 520 driver, but in the 523 they should be fixing the last bugs that I've seen in regards to this. So there's like a visual bugs that can maybe crash a game. Not all games crash because of the video card. They crash because of the new. This is too much technology. Let's put it like that for those games. So they actually crash because of that, and you gotta do some workarounds. On the gaming side, on Steam, it works best if you use Proton Experimental, which is currently right now the experimental one is a 705. The latest one right now it's stable one. It's 704, but if you put in experimental, which is 705, it actually makes all the games work better. Okay, they actually, you can you can play for hours, no problem there. For the games that actually crash, if you still test them on Windows, you'll see that they actually also fail on Windows. For example, GTA 5 has an issue with this hardware that on Windows 11 gave me a out of memory issue. And remember, this is this video card has let me see, has 24 gigabytes of RAM, and the actual motherboard has 128 gigabytes of RAM. So GTA 5's basically saying that it's out of memory is just crazy. So it's an issue with the game, and that I actually had the same experience on Ubuntu 22.10. Same issue. Um, Apart from that, you can see all these issues here, which I'm laying out there, the actual critical ones and the error ones. So most of this actually gets solved on the kernel 6.0, so that they get fixed already there. So all the ACPI errors get solved. This one also, this group here too. This is just something additional that also, basically everything else except this one gets solved on the kernel 6.0. The only one that's still there on 6.0 is this one, which is basically when it's loading the operating system actually failed, the Bluetooth fails, but it tries again and actually it works. You can see here, like if I click here and go to Bluetooth, you can see it working. See? So with that in mind, basically these are the only issues that I've found so far. The performance is great, disk speed is great, the Nvidia, it's awesome. Yeah, everything is working properly, I would say. So if there's any other tests that you want me to do with this hardware, with the gaming Ubuntu, Any benchmarks and stuff like that, just let me know, and we'll go through them together. So thank you, and think positive. Bye.